I just received the script. Let's practice it now. We are here at Wangpo Street. There. These are the small clips of our day. Last day. 2 hours tayo nag-shoot. Almost 2 hours. Ikaw yung magka-camera.
Kasi yun yung parang look na gusto ni Arden. Ayan, para mag-stay in place siya.
Kasi ako ano dalang brush. Ah? Nga, okay, yeah. What's your name? Say hi.
Hi, I'm Henry.
Henry, thank you so much. Okay, we're back. I'm done. Thank you so much.
Yes, thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Wala pa siya. Raining outside. Sana pala. Congratulations! It's Johnson. Ano?
Opo. Hihingi pa sila ng food for natin.
Yay! We are done with our shoot. He will be back in Manila. Where do we find you? Or what are your projects?
Ano po,
Or
ma'am?
Ano ka ba? Freelancer?
Yes,
Or
ma'am. Freelance po ako.
na?
Videographer po. Mga camera, video.
Aside from indie films, what is your biggest project?
Ano po, ma'am? Yung pinaka-recent project ko po is with DOT.
Department of Tourism.
Opo.
For...
Yung mga promotional videos.
Oh! You know, I started filmmaking with our Cine Kasimanwa, which is also in partnership with the TOT. If ever hindi ako nasa bank nag-work, I also would want to be part of TOT. Unfortunately, okay ako sa trabaho ko ngayon. Hindi ko alam paano po these few days. And yeah, it's a lovely experience to work with Henry. Yeah, God bless mo nga flight this tomorrow.
Opo, ma'am.
Tomorrow. And yes, enjoy. And then invite everyone to watch our film.
Parang ikaw na lang. Yeah.
Ikaw na lang, Lota. Invite everyone to watch our film. We are inviting all of you. It is now screening.
Ay.
International, and hopefully diri sa Philippines will also be shown. We will update you. Okay. So kami ni Lota,
Okay na.
mauuna kami
Yes.
umuwi. Si Hen, hindi pa. Mamayang
Ay,
gabi
hindi
pa. Kalahating gabi
nga pala.
before you leave for Iloilo. So I hope you enjoyed Iloilo.
Okay naman, ma'am. Mababait mga tao.
Ayun naman eh. Yun yung talaga yung gusto kong marinig. So thank you so much everyone. And
Bakit parang binabawi mong mabait kami?
see you on our screening. Bye!
Bye-bye. Thank you po.
Yan. First time mo ni Lota. But nga may classmate ako before na ganyan din yung voice. Very dalagang Pilipina. Just totally opposite of me. And you are a student of?
Plus, besides,
What course?
Plus, applied math
Anong year?
first year.
Yun. And I really admire, today is meron silang exam dapat. And double time, di ba? You'll be successful if you could juggle a lot of things. Grabe, may school, tapos eto, yung film natin. Yeah, I'm so happy for you. But when you were in high school, do you do acting, stage?
Mga role plays sa mga subjects naman.
During classes. So, ga-enjoy ka. Ayos. Hello! Yes, thank you so much.
Guys, may papasok. Ilan kayo?
Nagkita ulit tayo. Ano na lang kuya? May dalang labado. May mga hanger pa. May dalang labado. Tapos hindi nakapasama. Mas lalaki yun. Mang laba ka pero nakakorporate tayo. Tapos, ang imo sapatos. Ano pa? Tapos shoes. Rubber na. Yes! Sadya sa mga What an experience! For the books! Oh, pala naka-pajama nga! Galago-lagaw! Diba? At least documented!
Cheris mo din yun.
Cute yan ako. Nagtigulan ka mo.
Ay, kaagi, kuya yung nga nagpajama, galakat sa Aeroplaza. Hindi pa nga daan palalaga. Sa ano ito nga naglagaw ako, pajama pa ko. Okay lang na.
Yes, so if you are wondering, I left my car at the city proper and out of route po yung service natin. So we decided to go down na lang sa Haro Plaza and go back to the car.
Yay, Mark save.
Ayun kayo nakahapit ka mo sa ako yung channel. Kung bago pa lang kamo dili, pindot ang subscribe button, pati ka ang nagganay, kagili pagkalindi. You'll be inspired!